everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here's my results from my Savers haul that I just shared with you, all the unboxings. So I'm going to give you the details coming up. All right, so you've already seen me pull these out of the bags and how much I spent on these. I got a 30% discount for my military discount. And so I'm going to run through all the numbers for you. And this is after fees, after fees, after fees. So I am including the Amazon fees in the cost of purchase price. Okay, so I've got my Panasonic recorder that has a mini tape deck in it, and believe it or not, even used, I'm going to sell this on eBay for around $75, and that's after fees, $75. Okay, I'm going to subtract my cost of purchase at the end of this. So this is the number I'll get paid for if it sells. So my Netgear wireless router, I'm going to make potentially $20 on Amazon. Then I have all of these fun diecast cars. I'm just going to run down through the whole list while you're looking at which kinds they are. The Ranchero, I will be able to make $9 on. The Studebakers, it's going to be $11. The Studebaker Golden one is $5. The Woody car is going to be $7. Then the Ford F-150, my best pick yet, is going to be $14. Then we've got the Fire Chief car. That one I will make $10 on. Then we've got the Fun Edsel, $5, and the Crown Vic is also $5, and that's after fees on Amazon. So that's after I took my fees out. Then I've got this nifty little box, and I am guesstimating that I'm going to put it on eBay for auction style, and I am guesstimating that I should be able to make about $15 of profit, and that's a low guesstimation. It could go higher than that. Doesn't have any maker's mark, but it's in really, really good condition, and it's a solid piece. Then my clothing I've got here, I've got 7 pieces of clothing. I am estimating after fees that I'm going to make about $10 a piece. I may have some go for $15, some go for $20, but on average, I'll probably make about $10 a piece on each of my clothing items. If you want to see the clothing more closely, please watch my previous video where I unbagged each item and showed you them in detail. All right, then Mary the Mother of Jesus, bendable posable figure. I will make $6 after fees. Jillian Michaels is a brand new 30-day shred DVD. I will make $10 after fees, maybe even more, because I don't think there's any FBA sellers. My CD player I got going on here with case, I will make $10 after fees. My Would You Rather game here, I will make about $9 after fees. This fun portable miniature TV that I can sell used on Amazon, I can make $18. These Maxwell VHS recording tapes, I can make about $2 a piece, maybe a little bit more. So total for all 3, I'll be able to make $6. And then this Tyrants of the Underdark expansion decks, I can make about $8 a piece. So when I do all my numbers, that equals out to $313 is what I'm going to get paid. That's after I take care of eBay and Amazon fees. And after I take off how much I paid, which was $99.90 for all of these items at Savers Thrift Store, I will make a total of $213.10. So not bad for picking a thrift store. Spend $99.90, make $213.10 after you take out all of the Amazon and eBay fees. So that's not too bad, too shabby of a paycheck. I'm over doubling my money, and most of these things will be super fast to be able to list because most of them are going on Amazon, and shirts are super fast to list. You just do one after another. So I hope this has been helpful. And I hope you learned a lot, and hopefully I can make some money. And you'll see any of the eBay items on my What Sold This Week eBay series. So if you haven't watched any of those, go ahead. If you're looking for ways to be able to sell on a thrift store, just stay tuned. I'll show you a program I put together that you can purchase that'll make life easier when it comes to thrifting at a thrift store. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.